Hello, my name is David Trimbach, and I'm a research associate in the Human Dimensions Lab and Department of Fisheries and Wildlife at Oregon State University. I'm a trained human geographer, and I am currently an embedded social scientist at the Puget Sound Partnership, a Washington public agency based in Tacoma, Washington. This presentation contributes to building a lexicon for community geography. The word or phrase central to my understanding of community geography is knowledge co-production. Knowledge co-production is a construct or even mechanism that reflects my current work and research, much of which focuses on human-environment interactions and integrating the social sciences into environmental planning and decision-making in the Puget Sound region of Washington state. By knowledge co-production, I'm referring to the contribution of multiple knowledge sources and capacities from different stakeholders spanning the science-policy-society interface with the goal of co-creating knowledge and information to inform environmental decision-making. While in my case this is linked to environmental decision-making, it should be noted that knowledge co-production can inform other decision-making processes as well. Knowledge co-production and its applicability with my work is directly linked to participatory research approaches like community-based participatory research and community geography, which is a praxis rooted in collaborations between academic and public scholars, resulting in mutually beneficial and co-produced knowledge. Knowledge co-production directly impacts my scholarly practice and challenges existing institutional models of scholarship, particularly within the realm of environmental planning, which has long been dominated by the natural sciences and more traditional scientific approaches and understandings. Working collaboratively to co-design, co-lead, and co-produce knowledge with other scholars, planners, and community members, the centrality of knowledge co-production has challenged traditional and more positivist research approaches within my realm and practice. This includes, but is not limited to, questioning how research questions or hypotheses are developed or implemented, questioning traditional research processes and norms, challenging what knowledge, data, information, or even truth is or isn't, and challenging researcher-community relationships and their deeply entwined power dynamics. In practice, knowledge co-production comes in many forms and arrangements, including within natural resource management and ecosystem recovery. What co-production looks like and how partners participate can also vary tremendously, as is often linked or dependent on context. Knowledge co-production includes key input factors, including proficiency and expertise for knowledge co-production, legitimacy and trust, and inclusivity. Knowledge co-production, to me, is reflected in this basic iterative process framework that includes context, which could include geographic and political or government contexts, inputs, a process consisting of activities and outputs, and outcomes, impacts. Much of my work and projects includes knowledge co-production. Since 2017, I have been working closely with regional and local environmental and coastal planners on projects aimed at integrating the social sciences into their work. One project has focused on integrating the social sciences into ecosystem recovery with the Island Local Integrating Organization, a local watershed group based in Island County, Washington. This project has used community-based participatory research methods and knowledge co-production as key elements of the effort, with watershed group members being co-leads in the project and its evolution. The middle image reflects the project partners involved in this effort, which include local public agencies, tribal governments, and even community volunteers. This process has had innumerable benefits, including the recognition that local planning lacked sufficient community input and did not adequately reflect community values. This recognition led to a new activity and output, which produced a local report to assist with planning efforts. Overall knowledge co-production has been highly beneficial to this project and others that I have worked on in the region, particularly when it comes to efforts at integrating or including new types of knowledge, areas of expertise, and perspectives, like those stemming from the social sciences, into environmental planning. Through my collaborative work, knowledge co-production is now considered a best practice at integrating the social sciences into long-standing planning and decision-making processes among my partners, which include different public agencies. This largely stems from knowledge co-production's ability to assist with trust and legitimacy building, relationship building, and greater recognition of other forms of knowledge. Thank you.